What is going on, everybody? I'm on my way to the dealership right now. Drop off my car. Had some dents on it recently, just trying to get repaired up and fixed up. As you guys can see right here. Got one over here. A big one right over here. I'll put some pictures up for you guys so you guys can see it better, but finally gonna get it fixed up, have it looking beautiful all over again. Dirty as fuck though. Look at all those bugs I had to kill. Ugh, can't wait to clean her up. Oh yeah. Ah, baby. Yeah, let's hop in the car and let's get going. I'm not sure how I got those dents though, because I got my car repaired about 6 months ago, and after I got the repairs, I took it back home and noticed those right away. So I think it's done from repairing the headliner, which is the top part up here on top of the roof inside the car, like re-putting the airbag and stuff like that. But should be an easy fix. About to get a loaner car too, so we'll see what kind of car I'm about to get. Hopefully get a review for you guys too. Officially here, and take a quick glance over it, just to make sure it's how it looks like when it gets. Just make sure there's no problems when I get it back. Out here chilling. Miss you, baby. And we are in the new whip, 2018 Travese LT. Went from a Camaro to a SUV, but it's pretty nice. See how it is driving an SUV for a week compared to driving a Camaro usually in a G8. It's pretty nice though. I mean, Chevy quality, which isn't amazing, but it's pretty good. Nice display screen, kind of like the Camaro. Yeah. Wish it had leather, but it'll do for now. It definitely feels weird driving an SUV, but it'll do for now. It's not that bad. We're way more comfortable, you know? Just cruising, feeling comfortable and shit. The Camaro is still here, just gonna be gone for about a week, so not leaving, so. This beast. Oh yeah. 0 to 60 in about 15.4 seconds. I miss the Camaro. Goddamn, it sucks. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The Camaro is still here and not going anywhere anytime soon. It will be in here about a week, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, please subscribe and like for more. I'll see you guys next time.